Ever wondered about the different types of diets and their benefits? Welcome to an exciting exploration into the diverse world of eating habits. Understanding the intricacies of different diets is key to unlocking our body's potential. We'll bring to light the benefits and the science behind diets like keto, paleo, vegan, and more. Each diet has its unique strengths, and knowing these can help us make informed choices about our health. So are you ready for this gastronomic journey? Stay tuned as we dive into the first diet on our list, the Keto Diet. A fascinating approach to nutrition, the ketogenic diet, often known as keto, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that's been making waves in the health world. The goal? To get your body into a state of ketosis, where it's burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. The benefits of the keto diet are quite compelling. It can lead to weight loss, improve brain function, and even help manage certain health conditions like diabetes. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some people experience what's known as the keto flu, a temporary bout of fatigue and nausea as your body adjusts to its new fuel source. In terms of what to eat, think high-fat foods like avocados and nuts, moderate protein like fish and chicken, and low-carb veggies. Foods to avoid, anything high in carbs, so that means saying goodbye to bread, pasta, and most fruits. That's a quick look at the keto diet. Next up, we'll talk about the Paleo Diet. Also known as the caveman diet, the Paleo Diet takes us back to our ancestors' eating habits, focusing on whole foods that were available before the advent of agriculture. Picture foods that can be hunted or gathered: lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Many swear by the Paleo Diet's benefits, such as increased energy levels, improved muscle growth, better digestion, and a reduced risk of heart disease. However, it's not without its downsides. The diet can be expensive due to its reliance on organic, grass-fed meats and fresh produce. Plus, avoiding dairy, grains, and legumes can lead to nutrient deficiencies if not properly managed. Popular foods in this diet include grass-fed beef, wild-caught salmon, fresh fruits and vegetables, and nuts. On the flip side, you must avoid processed foods, sugar, dairy, grains, and most legumes. That's what you need to know about the Paleo Diet. Now, onto the vegan diet. A diet that's all about plants and excludes any animal products. Yes, that means no meat, no dairy, no eggs. But it doesn't stop there. Honey, gelatin, and anything else derived from animals are off the menu too. This diet is packed with a variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds. It's a powerhouse of fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients. And the benefits? Research shows a vegan diet can help lower the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and even some cancers. But like all diets, the vegan diet has its downsides. It requires careful planning to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients, especially protein, iron, and vitamin B12. Popular foods among vegans include tofu, lentils, quinoa, and avocados. And the one thing to avoid? Processed vegan foods. They may be plant-based, but they're often high in added sugars and unhealthy fats. That's a wrap on the vegan diet, but wait, there's more. You may have heard of the Mediterranean diet, a dietary pattern that's incredibly popular due to its diverse and balanced approach to good health. Not only does it primarily focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, but it also includes moderate consumption of dairy products and less emphasis on meat and meat products. A key aspect of the Mediterranean diet is the abundant use of legumes, bread, and cereals, providing essential nutrients and fibers. It's also characterized by a high consumption of olive oil, a rich source of monounsaturated fat known for its heart health benefits. The Mediterranean diet is renowned for promoting longevity and heart health. Another noteworthy diet is the DASH diet, an acronym for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This diet emphasizes reducing sodium intake and consuming a variety of foods rich in nutrients that help lower blood pressure. The Mediterranean and DASH diets, like the keto, paleo, and vegan diets we've discussed earlier, each have unique principles and potential benefits. The keto diet, with its high-fat, low-carb approach, could help with weight loss and controlling blood sugar levels. The paleo diet, focusing on whole foods and lean proteins, might aid in weight loss and improve heart health. And the vegan diet, excluding all animal products, can be a powerful approach for weight management and reducing the risk of certain diseases. However, remember this: each diet carries its own set of challenges, and it's important to consider your personal lifestyle and health needs before jumping in. A diet that works wonders for one person might not have the same effect for another. It's not about following the latest trend, but finding what genuinely works for you. Remember, the best diet is the one that you can stick to, and that makes you feel good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.